While riding the train through downtown Toronto, I saw homelessness up close. Not through a screen, not in statistics, but face to face, and it hit me. Because homelessness just doesn't affect them, it affects families, it affects cities, it affects all of us. And as the train kept moving, my heart didn't. So I wrote this. But before I begin the Ole Lady poem, the Bible says in Matthew chapter 17, verse 20, if you have faith as a grain of mustard seed, nothing shall be impossible unto you. Just like a mustard seed, very small, but alive, this is for the woman I saw. Hey, old lady with your cart filled with baggage torn apart. City to city you depart. Hey, old man with your cane, tell me, what's your name? Tattered shoes, swollen feet, panhandling sadly across the street. Hey, lady, tell me, what happened? I imagined you with so much pain, face pressed down, eyes fixed on the ground, moving around and around. Hey, old man, where is your home? Do you even live in this town? Those stories you both could tell, lessons of life learned so well. Tell me, what was your vision? Are you still chasing your mission? Storms of life lingered so long, slowly drenched and tuned your sweet song. Lady, those bags meticulously packed, day by day you carry them on your back. Holes peek from within each sack, contents of life whispering their sin. Do you hold on to your fears, clinging to the past all these years? Man, did you have children, a wife to love you then? The life you've lived, the jobs you've held, what really happened to you? The waves of events you've endured, will you ever park along this journey? Don't wait until you lie on a gurney. Lady, do you dream of being a queen or living your fairy tales in a dream? Does your heart still flutter or gallop for that special someone? The strength in your pain pushing the cart has built a roadblock in your heart. Your wild eyes, haunted smile give the world a glimpse of your trials. Hey lady, will you ever get tired or wait until your last breath has expired? Until then, my friend.